Hello, Namaste and welcome back. In this lecture, we will discuss the keyboard shortcuts in detail. While we have already referred and used keyboard shortcuts in our previous lectures, this lecture will help you understand the same in detail. So let's get started. We have already gone through the process to view all Confluence keyboard shortcuts. Let me summarize it for you. You can view the keyboard shortcut dialog by visiting the help icon from the navigation bar near your profile picture. Choose keyboard shortcuts. So this is how the keyboard shortcut dialog looks like. Let's close it for now. When you are viewing a page, you can press Shift plus / to view the keyboard shortcuts dialog. Let's close it. Now when you are editing a page, in case you want to know the keyboard shortcuts to be used on the editor, you can either press Ctrl plus / to view the keyboard shortcuts applicable on the editor. You can also select the question mark icon which is there in the left bottommost corner of the page to view the editing keyboard shortcut page. Now let's get back to the dashboard to see the main keyboard shortcut dialog which is there. Now let's click on help, click on keyboard shortcuts. So the shortcuts which you can see here are the available keyboard shortcuts for your operating system in Confluence. The keyboard shortcuts are broken up in 3 categories. The first one is general, which includes global, page and blog post shortcuts. For example, in the global shortcuts, you have shortcuts for creating content, going to the dashboard, for quick search, browsing current space, etc. Under the page or blog post shortcuts, you have the add a page, add a blog, edit or comment shortcuts. The second category is editor. So the keyboard shortcuts which are mentioned over here are applicable for the editor, which can be used for text editing. The shortcuts include adding a quote, adding a bullet list or numbered list, inserting a file and image, inserting a link, inserting a macro, and so on. The third category is editor auto formatting. This particular category includes the wiki markup and auto formatting shortcuts that apply to the editor. Examples include the strike through, italic or bold options, and other formatting options like changing the heading, numbering the list, and so on. So basis the various options available here, you can use the keyboard shortcuts to increase your efficiency and use these shortcuts in your daily routine. There is no need to memorize these shortcuts. Identify the ones which are relevant to you and could be frequently used and start practicing the same. In some time, you will start using the same naturally. That's all in this lecture. Thank you.